What do we have here? All right, I must admit this. I have waited a week and a half to open this box, but the moment has come. PHARRELL, the team over at Adidas, has sent me a little package, and I'm so excited to open this up with everybody. I have never seen this packaging before. It has Pharrell Williams' name at the bottom here, and the box is really cool in the light, actually. It's got like this really cool texture and marbling to it. Definitely one of the highest quality boxes I think I've seen in a long time. We have Sichona on the bottom. So Sichona is in this really cool metallic-y color scheme. It's actually sparkling in the light. We've got Human Race on this side. So let's just open this up and see what we've got inside. It's definitely a sneaker. Ooh, look at that. And welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. Today is a special episode because this is an unreleased new silhouette that we've only seen leaked pictures of. You've probably seen this already in a green version, but today we're going to be taking a look at the PHARRELL Adidas Human Race Sichona in the blue colorway. So let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there that you're not going to want to miss out on, as well as an amazing merch store with some great shade items. So be sure to check out that website after this video is done. As mentioned earlier, I was gifted this amazing new silhouette by PHARRELL and Adidas. I'm so excited, beyond excited to share this. I need to send a huge thank you to the Adidas team and PHARRELL for sending these my way so early so that I can do this unboxing for all of you. Super excited to talk about this shoe. I literally wore this all day long, so definitely going to be in my collection of most comfortable shoes I've had this year. So we are going to start off with the overview on the shoe, then we're going to jump into size and fit on these, followed by styling. Obviously, this is a very bold, vibrant royal blue tone, so I had so much fun styling this with some nice summer colorways. All right, so let's jump into this overview. So just a little side story. I actually met PHARRELL back in the day when I relocated to Los Angeles. I was actually with one of my mom's friends. We were going out to lunch and he asked where I wanted to go. And so we went to this cute little cafe in Beverly Hills, and literally Pharrell's whole team was there eating and having lunch. And when they came out, he stopped by my table actually and said hello, and I introduced myself and said I was new to LA. And so just a nice little storyline and nice little connection of when I first met him. So it's crazy to be receiving a shoe from him now, because this was back in the era when he wasn't doing collaborations with different brands, specifically Adidas. So happy to have this in front of me to go over this overview. Let's just jump right into it. So this is a new silhouette designed by Skateboard P, and this is a really, really cool concept. I mean, I'm obsessed with prime knit, as you know. That's why I love my Yeezy 350s. This kind of reminds me of a 350 silhouette in a sort of way, but this is more like a booty and it's a little higher up on the ankle than the 350s run. But this is so cool with the proprietary prime knit, which makes up the majority of the upper, and this just nice bold blue color scheme. As we work our way up, you'll notice that this is actually just more of that blue, but I really love how the stitching is as we work our way up to this kind of snug tongue. It's really cool detailing how they really just stitched that in this pattern. It's just really unique and different. We've got really cool 3M laces in blue, and you can see that they really reflect quite nicely in the light. We also have an additional pair of laces, so if you're not feeling this kind of all over royal blue colorway, I think that the yellow is a dope color to add in addition to this. Definitely for the summertime. I am literally just wearing bold colors right now, so this was just such a fun shoe to style. But I do love that we have that option of the yellow, and we've got the 3 stripes on the tip of that lace as well, which is a nice subtle detail. Then as we work our way around, we've got this orange woven in human race branding on the side panel of the shoe. It's very intricate, actually. You can feel the texture on how it was woven into the prime knit, the human race branding. On the top of the tongue here, we've got this nice kind of teal blue color scheme, which I think also just pops quite nicely off of that royal blue hue that you see throughout the shoe. It's just a nice subtle accent. It doesn't take too much away from the sneaker at all. Then we've got the human race logos, which appear actually on this rubberized nodule that sticks out like a fin. It literally looks like a fish fin in some kind of strange way. And then we've got this bulbous sole unit. Really is bulgy and kind of predominantly sticks out from that prime knit, which is kind of cool. And it's actually filled with boost, which is why the shoe is so incredibly comfortable. I love me some boost, but this whole entire unit is actually filled with it. Then we've got just the nice Adidas logo that's reflecting actually quite nicely on top of that blue pull tab on the front of the tongue there. Nice little sheen to it. Let's move on to the insole just to check out what we've got going on here. So we've got the body map printed on the insole, which is really cool. And that is in this kind of electric green color scheme with black, and we've got the dual branding in there. Now, as we work our way down to this midsole unit, the texture on this is really cool, actually. I don't even know how to explain this, but it's quite a unique texture, and I do like the lines that it makes throughout that midsole. It kind of gives it a distinct look. As we work our way to the outsole, it's actually debossed and embossed in different parts of the shoe. And it's cool because it gives it this nice texture that gives it some grip so that you don't really slip on the bottom here. All right, let's take a look at all of those different descriptions that I just went through and see all the details up close and personal. So let's talk about size and fit. So I am typically a 7.5 in men's, but I did size down by half size in this. So I went with a size 7, which is equivalent to a woman's 8.5. I'm typically a woman's 9. I do feel like I needed to size down half a size on these, and they fit me to a T. So definitely these run a little bit on the larger size. So again, I do like to have a little bit of extra space in there, and I do have narrow, high arched feet. So if you do have wider feet that are flat, this could also differentiate a size that may work best for you. So you may want to stick true to size if you do have wider feet, because you may need a little bit more room than I do, since I am on the narrow side. And these also fit my narrow feet quite well and have really good arch support actually in them. So definitely a great shoe for narrow feet, but on this one, I would recommend going half a size down. All right, now let's conclude with how much fun I had on styling these. All right, after a long day of modeling job, and then as soon as I got off, went to shoot some stuff for the YouTube. It's a big, productive day I've had today, and quite toasty out here, but I did it. I'm excited for you all to see this gift that I was gifted. Definitely very thankful for this, but these shots are gonna look so sick. I'm so excited to see these when they get home on the computer. I'm gonna run to the subway. I got meetings now. I gotta get back to calls, and hopefully I can get back in time because I'm running late, so let's go. So again, this was just such a fun pop of color. So for the first look, I decided to kind of bring a 70s look with this bodysuit that I wore, and it has some nice reds and orange hues, which I really wanted to play off of the lightly accented oranges that I saw in this shoe. I also wore some wide-legged orange pants because I, again, wanted to play off that orange accent, and I think it just really worked so well with the shoe, and it's definitely just a fun summer look.
I don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location. All that matters not to me, that you wherever I go, baby. I just need you by my side. Yeah, that's until the day I die. Ever since you found me, we the only thing I see. Forever and a day, it's you and me, and they can't replicate this unity. No pressure, I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you one in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. 'Cause I'll go anywhere.
Now let's move on to the second look. So I decided to bring even more patterns into the second look, just again, because this is such a fun, bold color scheme. So I wanted to bring some different colors into the mix. Since there are yellow laces, and I do probably plan on wearing yellow laces with this, I wanted to bring some more yellow hues into this. So I wore this matching sweater vest with some matching sweater woven pants. And it was in this really cool print, but it had yellow hues and pinks in there and some blues in there, which I think just vibed so well with the boldness of this sneaker.
Anywhere, just as long as you're with me, 'cause girl, I know that you get me. So I'll go anywhere, 'cause I'll go. So I'll go anywhere, 'cause I'll go. So I'll go anywhere. I don't even care about the way they're looking at us, 'cause I know they wish they had it and they know we're doing damage to the game. I don't care about the stereotype. I can never do it mono, we the stereotype. I'm talking left, right link. I'm talking left hand ring. I'm talking this right here forever. We ain't here just for the summer. Always on 10, we ain't never had to come up.
For the last and final look, I decided to wear this bodycon dress that I'm wearing right now in this light orange color scheme. I think light orange really just goes quite nicely with this, even though it's not the exact orange that matches it to a T. I then paired that with a nice just shirt that I tied around my waist in a light yellow colorway. And then for the socks, I decided to wear some Honda socks in a light blue color scheme, which I think just paired quite nicely again with the royal blue.
Come on, young right now, but we gon' watch the numbers run up. Honestly, I love the way you carry it. It was an easy decision, I had to marry it. Honeymoon, I'ma put you on a chariot, and they don't make them like you no more. No pressure. I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you one in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. I'll go anywhere, anywhere, just as long as you with me. Cause girl, I know that you get me, so I'll go anywhere.
All right, so you let me know out of those 3 looks, what was your favorite, or how would you decide to style these shoes?
Gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah. When you find out when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah. When you find out when you love. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. Compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. Look, I remember when we were still in college and your girl's boyfriend friends was always trying to holler, not a lot. Change sin, stand, but they don't want these problems. Let the top fold, ride slow. Let them know I got you, never been insecure. But I don't play about you, don't care who you were before or what they say about you. We fresh like air, no pollute. We didn't came too far, this no fluke. When you on my arm, you look great. Let them hate, cause they on mute. And girl, I brought you around my mom and them. Now I can't come around without you. I got money and respect, but you know that pussy's power. Type that make any man feel rejection. I was no coward. Got your heart in my possession, guess you can say it's ours. You fine like, let me just say you gifted. No understatement, let me rephrase it, you so exquisite. I'd be dumb if I didn't turn you into my missus. Been through your ups and downs, but with me you only get I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. Look, man, it was like fall of 09 when we ate at any restaurant off campus we can find. Double dating, and my homies brought different brats every time. You sat across from uncertainty, but you knew you were mine. All these girls wanted nook because I had a little buzz. You care more about how it looked, I care more about what it was. You said I was flirting too much, I cut them all off if I must. This whole relationship thing is pointless if there is no trust. But you know that you are my queen. How you do, your majesty? I'll acquire you desire. Pockets on capacity, it's only right that I laid your pipe, cause you had a massive leak. I'm not one to hype, but you the best, and that's to say the least.
That's it for this episode, everyone. Thanks again so much for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. As well as be sure to check out that join button and our merch store. So there are not details out yet as far as when these shoes will be launching. Hopefully by the end of this year, we will see a launch for these with some price updates as well, and places that you can see these will be releasing, specifically most likely on the Confirmed app. But definitely keep an eye out on these. I think these are definitely one of the coolest new silhouettes that I've added to my sneaker collection. So again, huge thank you and huge shout out to Pharrell Williams as well as the Adidas team. Thank you again for sending these my way, especially this really cool box that you sent me. I am obsessed with it. Definitely gonna have to keep that somewhere special. Again, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will see you all on the next episode.